Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. And can you remember about Savio Martin, who's already two app I have featured in my channel before? So now he have something from the past, but in upgraded version. So last time I shared a project of him which actually helps you to play a lot of soothing sounds of different kind of things like rain, wind, or stuffs like that, and you can set timer as well. Now he have upgraded that site of his and made something new, so let me share that too because it's also a great addition to it. So let's just say it. So the here is his site, that is Lofi dot site. Lofi, not Lofi, but Lofi dot site. So as we can see it here, that it has all of the previous sounds like rain, lightning, uh, and you can set any of the voices, like any of the sounds according to your preference. Snow as well, like I don't like to have snow. Some winds, then some leaves. Okay, and rather than having all of those, I can have another thing, that is I can click anywhere to start Lofi music, as you can get it from the site name Lofi Lee. So I can get this Lofi music as well, and I can change all of those music. Those are basic music controls, right? So I can change the song as well. Then see the playlist. What are the Lofi channels that is available here? So like if you like this, you can choose this. Then it will continue playing. You can like remix them, right? Play, pause, sound is sound. That's it. That's about it. And you can click here to change it as well. So that's about it. That's about the whole site. Totally simple. Simplicity is the key actually here. So great, and you can choose from any presets as well. So that's another great thing. Now you can't choose your own preset here. So that's something we would love to have, I think, because but to keep the application small and keep the application easy to use, I think he have done all of those, like not having those login options and all, because obviously if you want to save something, you have to have the login option, or at least saving something in your cache memory. So we would need that. So to keep things simple, I think he leave all of these things like this. But whatever, I'm liking it, because why not? So you can follow him in his Twitter handle, that is Savio Martin. Not yes, Savio Martin, obviously Savio Martin 7. Here you can see his Twitter handle. This boy is genius, 14-year-old boy, but he's really genius. And you can buy him a coffee if you want to support him. And that's it about this whole video actually. So if you like my channel in general, please do subscribe to my channel and leave a like to this video as well, because why not, if you like it, obviously. And if you know some of the cool things, like cool apps like this, that is really simple to use, actually serves a single purpose, but really useful, you can tell me about all of those here, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.